Eagle Catering Equipment Company Limited, located in Jiangmen City, one of the biggest base of manufacturing the stainless steel catering equipment and kitchenware in China. Since our foundation in 2008, Eagle has experienced continuous growth. Factory area 6,000 square meters and 80 workers, and attended some foreign exhibition and trade shows. Now Eagle is in profession of manufacturing, developing, and exporting a wide range of catering equipment worldwide. Perfectly meets the customer's demands. Thanks for the support of old customers, which enable Eagle to innovate, develop, and customize new and quality products. Eagle Catering Company Limited is one of the best supplier and manufacturer of below product series, storage and transport, Gastronorm Containers, Buffetware, Cookware, table and shelves, Hygiene. Eagle's values are advanced tech and CNC machinery, wide range of equipment, high quality and good prices, customer-focused service, custom-made development. For shipment, cargoes can be shipped in Jiangmen, Guangzhou, Shenzhen port directly by FCL, combination container, or LCL. Quality control system keeps you away from worries. Inspect strictly and solve the problem in earliest stage. We are happy to answer your questions, requests, and suggestions.